Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 car DVR. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, Wexun Car DVR. Specifications. Brand name, Wexun. Chipset manufacturer, MT6735. Frames per second, 30. View angle, 170 degrees. Number of lenses, 4. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Pixels, 1200 mega. Screen ratio, 16:9. Display size, 9.88 inch. Interface, USB 2.0. Display, IPS. Max external memory, 128GB. ROM, 32GB. Samsung. RAM, 2GB. Android version, Android 5.1. The item number 2 is CamLive 4G Car DVR. Specifications. Brand name, CamLive. Chipset manufacturer, MediaTek. Frames per second, 25. View angle, 165 degrees. Number of lenses, 4. Camera resolution, 1920 by 1080. Battery, none. Pixels, 500 mega. Screen ratio, 16:9. Display size, 12 inch. Display, IPS. Max external memory, 256GB. Video code, H.264. OS, Android 9.02 plus 32GB. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, HEDO D566. Specifications. Brand name, HEDO. Chipset manufacturer, HiSilicon. Frames per second, 25. View angle, 170 degrees. Number of lenses, 2. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Battery, built-in. Pixels, 1200 mega. Screen ratio, 16:9. Display size, 12 inches. Display, IPS. Max external memory, 256GB. Front camera, 3840 x 2160p. Rear camera, Full HD 1920 x 1080p. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.